Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Monitor 2 active noise cancelling headphones and you need to do a full factory reset back to the factory default settings on these headphones so you can set them up like a brand new set of headphones. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if these headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing with your phone or not syncing with the app properly, or if they keep disconnecting. Any kind of issues like this and you've tried just doing a hardware reset and it didn't fix the issue, we can go ahead and do this full factory reset. Now the other reason you might want to do this is just any variety of reasons where you want to wipe everything off of them, all the pairing history and everything like that, so you can set these up as a brand new set of headphones. And you're going to want to, before you do this, just delete them off your app. Delete them off your list of pairing devices on your phone, because we're going to be setting these up as new once we do this. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the control button down and the M button down as well for 7 seconds. And basically we're just going to keep holding it until the LED indicator light on the headphones turns purple, at which point we can release it. And then they will be fully reset. Then we can go ahead and basically set these headphones up like we're doing it for the first time, taking them out of the box. So anyways, hope this helped. If it did, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.